Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today, we're doing 90-second boneless pork chops. This is a condensed version of the long-form video, which we have a link to in the description if you'd like to see the full 8-minute video for a masterclass and instruction on how to cook boneless pork chops. And we're going to start with a well preheated pan, probably to the tune of about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after that, you're going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in there. For this one, it's going to be grapeseed or sunflower oil. And after that oil is nice and hot, which is usually about 60 seconds later, you're going to go ahead, swirl it around in the pan a little bit. Cook each of the sides of the pork chop for at least 2 minutes. Start with that fatty side first, and then after the fatty side is nice and crisp for about 2 or 2.5 minutes, go to the other side of the pork chop and then get the short sides so that it almost looks like seared tuna when you get the flat faces going of the pork chop. And then when you get the flat faces going, do each one on 2 minutes on each side. And then after those are done, you can lower it down to a low heat, put the lid on it, and then let it cook for a solid 8 minutes. That solid 8 minutes is going to give it time to come up to temperature with the lid on. You can turn it over midway if you need to, but either check the temperature or use the spring test. And then when that finishes, you're going to bring the heat up for just a minute to full blast with that balsamic vinegar. Put about a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar on there, and then turn it back down and off, and then put a tablespoon of butter, let it sit, let it rest for about 2.5 minutes, and then slice it right there as you please. It's ready to eat. Do it yourself gourmet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Feel free to like, subscribe, maybe even join if you want to help support the cause.